Justice Peter Lifu of the Federal High Court Abuja has stopped the Independent National Electoral Commission INEC from releasing the voters' register to the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission to conduct the October 5, 2024 local government polls in the state. The court also barred the Inspector General of Police and the Department of State Services from providing security. Justice Lifu issued the order against INEC while delivering judgment in a suit brought before him by the All Progressives Congress. Justice Lifu held that the River State Electoral Commission was wrong in fixing the October 5th date for the conduct of the poll into the 23 local governments when all relevant laws guiding the election had not been fully complied with.
The court held that INEC, that is the first defendant, is bound to ensure that the National Register of Voters that includes River State must be updated, and that same can only be released 90 days before the conduct of the elections. And also very fundamental from the judgment of the court is that the court struck down provisions of the River State Electoral Law, Section 60 of that law that seeks to oust the jurisdiction of the court from depriving aggrieved parties from exercising their constitutional rights before the court. And in respect of all the preliminary objections that were raised, 9 of them in number, the court resolved all in favor of the plaintiff. The implication of the judgment of the court is that the elections cannot be conducted on the 5th of October except the condition precedents are provided by the Constitution and the Electoral Act is complied with.
This is River State.
Meanwhile, the River State Governor Simonalayi Fubara is insisting that the local government election in the state will hold as planned. Governor Fubara was speaking during an inspection of a road project in the state.
Our election will hold on the 5th of October. I'm aware that RSIEC told me they already had an order mandating them to conduct the election on the 5th and the security agencies to support them. So I think with that order, the election will hold. I might not be a lawyer, but I know that there is something they call first in hand. And since they have the first in hand, we will give them all the necessary support for that election to be conducted. And it will be one of the best elections ever held in River State, free and fair in this state.